So good day guys, in this tutorial I will teach you a simple way to promote your app. That is the very best way you can promote your app and get more installers in your app on Google Play Store. Remember that you need this installer to actually grow your revenue in AdMob, because the more these users are using this application, the more you'll be earning from it. So we'll be using Google Ads. Yes, I'll be doing the full tutorial on how you can promote your app using Google advertisement. Yes, so when you just go to the Google Ads, the site, you search for this ads.google.com. You understand? So once you have registered in the site, the surface is going to be like this, the way you are seeing it on the screen right now. That's how it's going to be like. Then you see the new campaign. So just create a new campaign. So when you click on the new campaign, it's going to show you the different aspects which you can create a campaign for, or the parts in which you can create a campaign for. So just let it to load up. Now you can see it that you just load up. You say what's your campaign objective? What is your campaign objective? You can create a campaign for sales, for leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visit and promotion, and create a campaign without a goal guidance. You understand? But now we're focusing on the app promotion to get more installer engagement and pre-registration of your app. So that's what we're going to go for. So you just have to click it. You understand? Then it will take you down to few other aspects in which you're going to promote this application for. So first of all, okay, this app to drive download, as you can see. So just leave it as default. So down here, if you need app install, app engagement, or pre-registration, only for Android. So now we are going for app installers. That's what we need. This app engagement is that if you already promote your application and you have users and you want these users to go back to this app again, then you go for app engagement. It would send this advertisement to the users already using the application. You understand? But this part will use the app installs. That's what we're going to use for this advertisement. Yes. So you scroll down to, it says your mobile platform. Yeah, this is an Android. So if you also have iOS, you can also add iOS, but this is an Android because it's on the Google Play Store. If it's in the Apple App Store, you put in the iOS. Now you have to put on the app URL. So this is the app I want to promote here. No copyright sound effects. So to get the URL, you just click here. If you are using an Android phone, you click on the share button. But right now, we click on the URL, copy it, take it back to our Google Ads campaign, then paste it here. Yes, you paste it here. So it has been pasted, as you can see. Then you click OK. Yes, no copyright sound music. Then the down is ask a campaign name. What's the campaign name? I normally give it the app name, like no. Okay, I will call it sound effects. SOUND sound effects. So that's sound effects. Then I'll click on the next button. The continue, as you can see down here, will take you to the next section. Yes. So this other part you need a lot of work too, but it's easy. Just follow me step by step and you're going to get it done. You understand? Now the first part here, they'll ask you for a target location. Select the target location. Do you want it in all countries? Do you want it in only Nigeria? So we click only Nigeria for now. You understand? Because if you are creating an application, you are targeting worldwide country. There are some countries that which their CPN is very low and they are very high. That will cost you more when it comes to promoting your application, like cost you more money. You understand? So if you want to target country, you can definitely just select the country which you want to target. But if you are not targeting all country like this method, I just want it to run for only Nigeria solely. So I'll click on Nigeria. Then after which I will go on the location option, which is in the down part here. You can also see that the location option, just click on it and leave it as default. Everything will be on default. You understand? So once you have targeted the location country, which is this, leave it as default, you go down, they'll ask you to choose a language. This English. If you need more than English for your language, or maybe you have another set of language in your application that you might want to target, you can also add that to it. But now I'm targeting for only English. That's the language my app is using. Then just click on the next button there. Now they will ask you to set an average daily budget. So at the start, I will advise you to just use $10 for a start. You understand? So that you used to test it out. If you're going to do more for the application or less, this is where you know it. Just use $10 for a start. Then we need the store volume, and this is our app here. Now the app users. So they ask you here to set a target per install. Now the access that the normal target per install, that is a typical cost for install to other apps targeting in the same area, is actually $0.14. So you can also just apply this one, but you can increase it if you need more. You need more results for yours. You understand? So just increase it, and I put $0.15, or you can call it 15 cents too. So next, you click on the next button at the down part here. So at this part is the part where you need the headings, then you need the picture, the video. Those are the things you should put in this very part here. So first of all, I will just have to go back to my app where I'll get my app description already. You understand? And I can just get headings from it. So I can just copy here and go back and just put an headings like this. Make sure that your headings you are putting is not on a capital. It's going to have some issue with the policy with this Google has some violation. So just put it sound effects and clips. Then I can take another heading from here. Okay, I just use this one, inspiration sounds, and same, I'll add it to the headings. That's two. So for the description, I'll also do the same thing. I'll add some description to it, like okay, just add this description to it, and make sure they are not on capital. Like this one, I see it's on capital, so I'm going to change the capitals from it, or it's going to have issues with their policy violation. It's going to have issue with their policy violation. So remove all the capitals on it. Then okay, then this. So after that part, you go back, then you can add more description. You have up to 5 description. This is just for a tutorial purpose. You understand? You have up to 5 description. Then the picture here. So once you click on picture, it's going to show you recommended picture. So you can choose the recommended picture like this. You can also add your picture. You understand? Add an image for your device. If you want to have an image for your device, just click on this upload here, then upload from computer. Then you're going to see a lot of image in your computer that you can also add to it. You can see an image in your computer that you can also add to it. So I don't want to have any image on my computer right now, so I'll use this one. Then I'll click on the save button at the down part here. So it's going to come like this. If you see it, the ad, you understand? Then the style of the ads in YouTube, in Discover pages, and lots more. Then you can also choose to add videos if you want to add video. Right now I don't want to have any video, so you click on the next button here. So once you click on the next button, then it's loading, so let us just wait for it to load up. So this is what we just a preview on our ads that we just run right now. This is a preview. Then you just click on publish ad, then it's going to publish. You understand? It's an overview of what you just did, and you can see this app promotion we just run now. The status is eligible. The target cost per action is $0.15. The conversation, the consent, and this aid is live now. Like, it's going to take like 30 minutes time for you to start getting results. You get, so just wait and just reload your browser back, and you see that it has started getting results. But in some cases, when you publish this promotion videos or the promotion advertisements, they are going to put it under review, and sometimes it will take up to 1 hour before they review. Maybe you go against their policy or something like that. But without going against their policy, this aid will be like live right now as we speak, and you start seeing results in less than 30 minutes. So if you have not added payments to it, you can simply just run into the payment section and add payment, because they are going to ask you for payment. Because I've already added payment method and section to this part, I don't have to do those parts again, you get. But if you have not added the payment method to it, once you are done with this part, they are going to pop out the part that says add payment method. Then you're going to pay, and if you are paying, you are going to pay with your dollar card. I don't think Naira card can actually pay for this, so you're going to get a dollar card before you can pay for this. So to get a dollar card, you can just watch any tutorials on how to get it. You can also check the tutorial in this our ADMOB Tech online courses. You can see a video on how to get a dollar card. I think under courses, go under courses, then scroll down, you see on how to get a dollar card. Just watch the video, you get the dollar card, then use it to pay for this. So this is how you can run promotion for your app and get more download. And I wish you success in your coding and in your ADMOB app development. See you in the next video. Bye for now.